Hi guys, DJSXD here. We're going to be doing part 2 of the video of the hundreds of buttons and sounds we left off from this.
OMG.
There you go. So yeah, we're just going to go through more.
WTF. WTF. That's what she said. That's what he said. That's what she said.
Just shut up.
That's what she said. That's what he said.
I know that's what she said, but that's what he said, so shut up.
That's what she said.
I know, but
That's what he said.
but that's what he
That's what
but-
he said.
but
That's
oh
what she
god,
said.
just leave me alone. Oh shit. Oh. Bloody hell. Game over.
Game over.
Game over. What? Oh, that was beautiful.
Good luck with that. Good luck with that.
Boring. Well, anyway, that's the end of part 2 coming up. We'll stop off here.
Awesome.
Look out!
Warning. Well, remember to like, comment and subscribe if you're new. Thank you very much for watching. Peace. Peace out, people. Peace out, people.